Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust your Honda Odyssey steering wheel. First, ensure your vehicle is parked safely on a level surface. This guide will help you find the perfect driving position, improving both comfort and control. A correctly adjusted steering wheel is crucial for optimal visibility and airbag effectiveness. Let's get started with the simple steps to customize your driving experience. Now let's locate the adjustment lever. This lever is usually positioned directly beneath the steering column, often on the left side. It might be a small handle or a paddle. Once you've found it, firmly pull this lever downwards towards the floor. This action will unlock the steering column, allowing it to move freely. With the steering column unlocked, you can now adjust the wheel to your preferred position. You can move it up or down to set the ideal height. Additionally, you can pull the wheel towards you or push it away to adjust its reach. Experiment with these movements until you find a comfortable and safe driving posture. Remember to maintain clear visibility of your instrument panel. Once you've found your perfect steering wheel position, push the adjustment lever firmly back upwards until it clicks into place. This locks the steering column securely. Give the wheel a gentle tug to ensure it's stable and won't move while driving. A properly adjusted steering wheel contributes significantly to your driving comfort and safety. For more great tips and deals, including those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.